What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Arrma Kraton B2 4S. Jump off the step. Boom. Could have did that a little better. Yo, are you kidding me? Your low voltage cut right in the middle of my speed test.
Oh, dang.
I'm up here at Marshall State. Let's see if I can do a Arrma stuff. I'm gonna see, can I pull off a side wheelie, which I pretty much doubt it. Let's see. Nah, I ain't gonna be able to do that. Something wrong with my servo. Yeah, this servo too weak. I can't pull off side wheelie. Yeah, my servo giving me problems. This still the whole stock system. I didn't even upgrade the pinion. The servo giving me problems right now. Real weak. Yeah, servo real weak. See? Look, this is full right. Full left. And this thing is a little 4S beast. Yeah, that steering though, that servo is going bad. Oh yeah, I got my nav in here. I better chill out. Yeah, let me take my nav out real quick. Be right back. Yeah, that sun is killing. I couldn't see nothing. Just messing around today, man. I ain't really. Yo, I did that on purpose. That's the skills right there. Yo, whip game. Whoa. Yo, this thing a monster, just crashing through branches like it ain't nothing. Come on, see that servo is so weak now. Servo needs major help. Backflip. Whoa. Yo, this thing take a punishment. This thing is very durable. Yo, not down there, really. God damn. Off into the sunset.